Hello everyone, welcome to the Tarang Live Show. Today we are going to see some beautiful lehengas. All these are budget friendly segments starting from 5,000 to below 15,000. So let's get started. First we have this raw silk pattern fabric lehenga. It's all digitally printed with this nice rhinestone design. Yeah. And you can see it has a huge khera. And also the price for this one is 6,630. This is the blouse, and if you see, the blouse has a very nice sleeves. It's not like a regular straight strap, but it has this beautiful detailing with a sweetheart neckline. And in this we do have color options, I'll show you, but this is the blouse. You can show the dupatta.
Yeah, the size like this lehenga can be come up to the size till XL,
So this
42
is the
chest
blouse.
size. There's an option over the blouse.
Price is 6630. ఇట్లానే ఉండండి పైకి ఉండండి.
Dupatta.
Yeah, so this is 6630 is the blouse. And this
Whole
also
look
has
of the
sleeves, so you can also get sleeves attached. And even for the dupatta, there is this complete stone detailing all over the dupatta. And it's a full length dupatta, so
Full
you can
length
drape
dupatta,
it
you can drape
like a
it
half
like,
saree, yeah, or wear it on the side. And this is the beautiful blouse. So please take a screenshot, whoever wants to order. Just send us a screenshot on WhatsApp. 6630 is the cost for large size. We also have XL. Sleeves can be attached. It flare. So yeah.
There's a full flared lehenga, and with in between those shiny stones gives us a unique look.
Yeah, this was actually our bestseller. Since 2 months, we have sold so many pieces, and finally, it's restocked once again.
Yeah, these are perfect for the bridesmaids or mehendi, haldi,
Yes,
sangeet.
any occasion, and we also do ship worldwide.
It's a lightweight but very classy and designer wear.
Yeah, in the second color, there is. You try check. So you can twirl, circular twirl, so you can see the ghera and a very beautiful shine. It has a very pretty shine, and this also has a lot of can, so gives a very nice rich look. Okay,
In
so the
this, three more
second
color
color,
options are there. The bottle green,
this is a
dark
bit more different.
bottle
Like
green,
the print is different.
and full flare lehenga. See the
Just
flare,
look at the flare, like it's from right to left. So many colors.
kalamkari print.
Yes, it's kalamkari print, digital print.
The price is around 6,950.
6950 is the cost. And the blouse for this one is different. Like you can see the sleeve pattern and also the neckline. It's not the same. 6950 is the cost. To order this, you just have to send us a screenshot. We will take your exact chest and waist measurements and alter it according to your size. And this is the pretty
Whole look
dupatta.
of the dupatta and lehenga.
Even this is a full length dupatta, complete rhinestone detailing. Can you do a close up here? Yeah, so this is the pattern. Yeah, 12. So you can understand how rich and how pretty the kali is. Has a lot of ghera, and just for almost 7,000 cost, we have this beautiful lehenga.
So multiple color option is there in this lehenga. The brighter color options.
A very pretty
the
kalamkari
designer
pattern
wear.
with raw silk. Okay, so just take a screenshot, and sleeve material is also available. So if you don't want to wear the blouse sleeveless, we do have the fabric for the sleeves, same matching fabric. It's like this, if you can see. So it's the matching fabric. Let's move on to the next color.
Gorgeous lehenga, perfect for haldi. See
Yeah, it's
the
a
full
pretty
flare
yellow
lehenga.
lehenga. Just
Mustard
look at
yellow.
the skirt. Beautiful, huge ghera with nice detailing. With very nice detailing. It has this pitchwide design and a lot of detailing like Indian print. 6630 is the cost. This is the blouse, and yeah, dupatta.
Gorgeous combination,
Lemon
like
yellow.
orange and lemon yellow. Beautiful dupatta.
It's like a beautiful mixture of colors, yellow colors, with nice hints of pink, peach, green,
And the
everything.
dazzling shine of these beads, silver beads.
So you can
Very
do a
classy
close up
and
on the
designer
blouse
wear.
too. And but the bestest part of this, all these lehengas,
6950.
is the ghera, like the beautiful flare. Yeah. Twirl. Yeah. Sleeves. Yes, it's only 6,600, below 7K. No, this is 6,600. The previous one was 6,900. And yeah, the best part is the big kali and big ghera. Okay, let's move on to the next one. So the last color option in this segment is the peacock blue. It's like a nice midnight blue with so many detailings. Again, floral print and small floral meena motifs is the inspiration for this lehenga. Just look at the ghera. It's a very huge long ghera.
Full flared lehenga and the designer, completely designer over the border.
And we also ship these to the States, US, UK, anywhere. And within India, it's free shipping. And if you want to try it, you can also visit our stores to buy. So as long as the stock lasts, you can definitely buy it. So this is the pretty blouse. Very beautiful color combinations. And see, the dupatta is
lightest
not
shade
the
of
same
dupatta.
blue. It's like a nice light midnight blue. So it gives a very rich look with rhinestones pattern. Price is 6630, same cost. Okay, just send us a screenshot on WhatsApp if you want to order. 86395 Then Keshi hanger. So you can see, so pretty with the huge ghera. The very nice.
Give it to me, that one. Lehenga.
Yeah, it's
See this beautiful lehenga with the designer, completely golden designer work. And a gorgeous blouse and dupatta.
Yes, it has this very nice sequence work and also a heavy embroidered blouse. Price is around 9,400. It's a very pretty. Go straight. Yeah, so you can see when this one has a very nice ghera. The best part is the border. It has this nice gold detailing here and a very huge kali. So very beautiful. And just look at this detailing. It's a nice Georgette lehenga with the blouse. And can you do a close up on the blouse? So very beautiful beads, sweetheart neckline, very pretty sleeves.
The soft falling dupatta. And all over dupatta has a beautiful embroidery, golden embroidery work.
Nice Georgette dupatta. And if you don't want sleeveless, we do attach the sleeves. Matching sleeve material is available. Yeah, to Rishi. So to order this one, you can just send us a
Price?
screenshot. 9,495. Wow, very beautiful. Superb collection. Yes, Shivani. Next is my favorite. I also have this in orange color, and the reel went viral when I wore it for Varalakshmi Vratam, and this is also launched in 3 more colors. So this is the pretty purple. It's a very
Just come with
beautiful,
antique
classy
gold
piece.
work.
Yeah, it has this antique gold brocade design all over, and this is not printed; it is embroidered in the fabric, and the border is Sabyasachi inspired border. This is the
It's a
beautiful.
Banarasi theme.
Yeah, it's like a Banarasi concept. And the blouse is also really pretty because of the neckline. It has this nice sweetheart neckline. And I felt the blouse was a bit deep, so we also attach a patch if you also have that same feeling. So I got a patch attached here, a designer matching patch. You can do the same. Just look at the neat detailing. It's a very simple, subtle piece with the cut beads detailing here on the sleeves, but everything else is very nice and toned down. So this is the pretty blouse. Price is 13,970.
Show the dupatta.
So
And
just
it has
below
come with the
14K.
stitched sleeves. इसका colors
And
उधर
this
है
is
देखो
the
टेबल के
dupatta.
ऊपर.
Maybe. This is the dupatta. So it's a matching dupatta. It's a nice organza dupatta with gota patti and pita work all over. So very, very pretty. It's a hit piece. And in this, let's look at the color options now. So first we have this beautiful purple.
And beautiful reddish color.
Yeah, it's a nice Rani color we can say. And this is the blue, ink blue.
So these are the 3 color options in this lehenga.
So very gorgeous. Prices under 13K, sorry, under 14K. This is the detailing. Just look at the beautiful color combination. So all these color options are available.
And the very neat embroidery work, and all the 3 colors are super gorgeous.
Nice organza fabric for the dupatta. I draped it like a half sari, but you can wear it on the side or wear it from the back. Anyways, it looks pretty. So let's move on to the next one. To order these, you can just send us a screenshot. Again, in this one, we do have sizes available. L, XL, and 2XL is also available in this design. 2XL chest size would be 42 to 44. So yeah, that is more of a bridal lehenga segment. Price range for that one is 18K. That peach one, yeah, huh. Yeah, here we also attach a patch if you feel that it is too deep. Even I got a patch done here for my lehenga. So, yeah, it's yours. वो ब्लू कलर दो अंजलि बनारसी. हाँ. Next is this Banarasi concept lehenga, perfect for the weddings. It's a nice Banarasi fabric, very lovely.
Color combination.
Yeah, color combination. It's a very nice royal peacock blue that's super trending this season.
8,040 is the price.
And just
Completely
look at the
fully
blouse.
stitched blouse.
Complete
Show the
cut beads
dupatta.
design.
Organza dupatta.
Yeah, dupatta is also very lovely because of the scallop detailing.
Yeah.
And just look at the back, how pretty.
All the 4 sides it has come with the scallop detailing.
This cut beads pattern is very nice. 8,000 is the cost for this one.
See the beautiful dupatta.
And this is the scallop design all over. We have this nice zari weaving.
It's a monotone concept, single color lehenga.
Yeah, even if you get these stitched outside, you won't get the exact finish, and so many different fabrics, embroidery, blouse, everything.
Yeah.
So
Detailing
it's
work on
just
the
around
blouse is like
8,000
with
for
all
the
cut
whole set,
beads.
fully stitched. So it's just around 8,000 for the whole set, fully stitched. Comes with a nice organza dupatta, scallop detailing. The blouse has complete cut beads, and this Banarasi fabric itself is very premium and expensive. It gives a very rich look. And let's do a twirl for the lehenga so you understand the ghera. Also has tassels on the side. So yeah. So very beautiful piece. So just send us a screenshot if you'd like to order this. And all these are designer pieces. Most of them are single colors. So let's move on to the next one.
These are 5K, below 5K
Below
lehenga.
5,000.
So just now we asked
It's like a
below
nice
5K.
raw silk. You can see it's a soft raw silk color. Just look at the shine on the border. The best part about these is there are so many colors available in this one.
And available
And
in
sizes
double
too.
XL.
Yes. So you can see this complete minimal small boota. 4,660 is the cost. 4,795. I'm sorry. 4,795 is the cost. This is the blouse with designer V neck pattern. And you can see it already has come with a patch. So nothing to worry about neck being deep. And for the sleeves, we do have extra fabric available. So you can get the sleeves attached. And dupatta is the best part. Just look at the gorgeous work here. The price tag.
Super gorgeous.
Yeah, and just look at the shine of the
4795.
dupatta. How pretty, and it's below 5,000. Can you believe it? With this sort of finishing, it's impossible to find anywhere. Like, just look how beautiful.
So in this
The
color
end product
options,
is really pretty. And in this, we have so many color options. So let's start seeing all the colors. So it's a Rani pink color. It's a nice purple
wine
color. And the slight difference in the detailing.
designs.
नहीं वो निकाल दो यहाँ पे already है.
No, the design is different. In this
हाँ, ठीक है.
leaves
ये ले
pattern
लो.
is different, and that one has some small motif works. Slight design change is there, but the lehenga
So
pattern
yeah,
is
so let's see the design. So this is the second one. Let's show this. It has button detailing, and the dupatta is also different.
see the work. It has small buttons
Price
over there. It's 4495.
4495. So there's a slight difference in the price too, like 200-300 rupees. नहीं unda नहीं dupatta. And this is the lehenga. Okay, so the difference, major difference, is the work on the skirt. This one is a bit more plain, whereas the one that we saw, the blue color, has the small motifs all
The
over
border
the
is from
skirt.
the heavy border.
Yeah, but border is heavy for all the lehengas. So let's start seeing all the colors. First, we have this wine color. You can take a screenshot. Blousey, ma?
Yeah. This is the blouse.
So all three sizes are available: L, XL, 2XL. What I'm holding right now is L size. So you can take a screenshot. Yeah, let's move on to the next one. 4495 is the cost for the one that I just showed.
In the same design, we have one more color option with the
Yeah.
button
So
style
you can
instead.
see there are two different patterns. One is this one. No, it's a bit more different. This is also different. This is 4660. So there's a slight variation, but everything is under
Below
5K.
5K.
Yeah.
Slight design changes there over the blouse. This buttons.
So on this one, we have these circular motifs, round motifs. The one that's 4,900 has the flower motif. My blouse.
Yeah.
This is the blouse for this one. So yeah, you can take a screenshot and request in whichever color you want to see. So actually, I'll just be showing the colors instead of the different designs in each color. So this is the next color option. You can see the dupatta is very heavy. So very beautiful piece under 5K. So let's move on to the next one. Next color. Color Dishama. It's a Firozi blue color. It's the same design, the circle boota that we just saw, but in a different color. It's a nice Firozi blue. Yes, sleeves are available for each and every lehenga that you're seeing today on the live. Now dupatta. So this is the next color, Firozi blue. So you can take a screenshot if you want this. And let's move on to the next one.
So in this color options,
In link ka unne colors.
you've shown all the colors.
No, there are more colors. There's an ivory white too. There's actually a green as well. We will be posting that too. అది అయిపోయింది కదా అది ఇదే బ్లూ గ్రీన్ ఇవా ఇందులో గ్రీన్ కూడా ఉంది yeah so we have so many colors. You can also message us on WhatsApp actually, and our team will send you colors of every design, and every design how many ever colors we have, and we will also help you with the sizing. Our shops are in both locations. One is in Ameerpet and one is in Park Lane. So you can visit either of the branch, and if you can't visit the store, then you can always book a video call appointment and our team will show you clearly on the video call and also help you get the sleeves attached and anything. Okay, let's move on to the next concept. Next we have a
pastel
sky
shade.
blue pastel shade.
Completely thread work.
Yeah, it's like a nice Lucknowi pattern. You can see complete thread work lehenga, very trendy. Price is around 7795. Just look at the detailing on the blouse. How pretty, these beautiful tassels. And this is the pretty neckline. So neckline is also very, very beautiful. It's like a pretty neckline. This is the back. And dupatta. Beautiful dupatta. Yeah, you can wear this for receptions, engagement, anything. Because it's only for 7,700. It's very, very beautiful. And also the ghera has a lot of ghera. So it looks very royal when you wear it. To order this, you can send us a screenshot. And let's move on to the next one. This is a very unique piece, especially because of the work here. You can see the gold embroidery is done in such a
Crushed
way
type.
that it's not really tacky, but it's very subtle. And it's all crushed material, so something very different. But
And
the
even the color is
blouse,
also unique color. It's a rare
the
color.
blouse is standing out because of the heavy embroidery. You can see how beautiful the combination is. This is the fabric for the sleeves. If you don't want, you can just ignore it or get it attached if you want. And just look at the back design too. The neckline, the pattern. It has a boat neck, so unlike the regular blouse pattern. Very beautiful boat neck. Price is around 10,000.
Dupatta.
Soft net 13-year-old girl. No, this would not be perfect. But for some lehengas, our blouses are starting from 36 chest size. So something like that would be perfect for a 13-year-old girl. But something like this, the blouse would be too big for her. So we don't really recommend. 10,650 is the cost. You can take a screenshot. And yeah, let's move on to the next one.
Orange. That orange.
I'm trying to see if we can. Okay. It's a very nice bright orange. We didn't see orange in today's video. So we'll see this one.
It's beautiful, gorgeous color, monotone concept, orange color, completely worked, and it's a falling material. The lehenga is falling material, and all over lehenga has a gorgeous embroidery work. So the beautiful embroidery work. So the lehenga. These are like completely designer wear in the falling type, and this is the
Organza
blouse.
fabric too. Very beautiful.
And see the gorgeous dupatta.
Wow. Just look at these tassels. So beautiful.
Completely designer wear. Those who want to be the showstopper in the function, like this would be the, like if you carry this,
Perfect outfit.
really
Yeah.
a perfect outfit.
And it's a very unique pattern, especially because of the leaves design and the floral design. And price is around 14,000. So it's a very royal, elegant piece. So please take a screenshot if you are interested in such collections and send us to us on WhatsApp 86395 And also, can you do a close up on the intricate maggam work here on the blouse?
And dupatta.
Wow, it's
And
complete
the lehenga.
handwork. So very pretty. Yeah. And let's see
And one
this
more
one.
in the same series, gorgeous lehenga in the pastel shade.
It's a nice tissue fabric. So very beautiful. Just look at the embroidery on the daman of the lehenga. It's too gorgeous. Complete sequence work,
Like the
cut
forest
beads,
theme,
pearl work,
elephants and the
cute
tree.
elephants and trees. It's very pretty and cute piece. Yeah, it's a And also these are the cute tassels on the side, and even the blouse is extremely gorgeous. It has this nice boat neck. 15K is the price range. Yeah, wait, let me show the, yeah, so you can see the work here. Also on the bottom we have the scallop designing, elephants, tree pattern, very pretty.
The fabric is also very premium, and the work, it's very intricate work done over the lehenga and the blouse. Beautiful,
Dupatta.
completely designer wear.
Just see the dupatta, full length dupatta, very big dupatta, so you can drape it perfectly like a half sari. Complete tissue fabric. We have this beautiful, gorgeous lehenga. Almost 15K, around 14,000 something is the cost, and it's available in all sizes once again. So yeah, let's move on to the next one. So I think that's it for today. And we also, apart from these, we also have a lot of bridal lehengas. But yeah, today we decided on doing a little more budget friendly and regular wear lehengas for the bridesmaids. So thank you for joining today's live. Whatever collections you liked today, you can send us a screenshot on WhatsApp. Our team will help you in video calls and also helping you find the perfect size. So thank you. Bye.